I'm Miss Jacobs. I am the lead teacher in Year 3 and I'm here to talk about this, which is your termly school planner. Hopefully your children have already brought this home and I'm just going to talk you through how it works and whether there's anything that you might support their learning with. So at the beginning we have got a curriculum map, and this just sets out the learning for this term that we're doing. So you've got English, maths, and it goes through all the other foundation subjects. You'll see that we've got a big focus on Romans in history for the whole term, and that really links in with a lot of our learning in English. And in maths we're really sort of revising the basics around place value, moving into the 4 operations. So addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So this is just a guide for you so you know what the children are going to be learning about, and if you want to sort of support their learning at home, hopefully this will help sort of guide that. And then on this page we've got, they're called the knowledge organisers. So this is our history knowledge organiser, and that's all about the Romans in Britain. And this has got some of the key facts the children are going to be learning about, a timeline of events, and then some really interesting boxes with historical skills and concepts. And we've also got some sort of key people. So some things they can go and research online, or if you're able to, maybe a trip to the British Museum or the Museum of London. They both have exceptional Roman exhibitions you might want to go have a look at. And then on this side is our science learning, rocks. Hopefully very straightforward, the core learning, what the children already know and how they're going to be working scientifically, and also some key language, some key vocabulary. You can support them with looking at these definitions and seeing if they understand what these words mean, which will support the learning that's happening in the classroom. We have then got on this front page, it's called the key dates, which the children can fill in. This tells you when key events in the week are happening. So for both Year 3 classes we have gymnastics on Mondays, and that's when they come into school in their PE kit, and we have swimming on Fridays when they have their swimming kit. That's all been going really well so far, so thank you very much for your support. And I'm now going to talk you through the reading element of the planner, which is the bit you're going to see most often. So here you've got a space for the children to write a comment about what they've read. So the expectation is they will read every evening. They write the name of the book under the day of the week, and then in this comment section they write 1 comment about what they've read, or 2 if they have a lot to say. So they might want to say which bit they particularly enjoyed, if there was something funny or sad. It doesn't have to be very long, but it needs to be their own comment. And in the morning I will read it, check it off. They write on the day they have read. So if they've read on Monday evening, they write in the Monday box. If you have got a message for me, feel free to put it in here under notes from home, and any response I've got will go into the notes from school, or any key information I need to get across will also go in here. The children, if they've been doing times tables or spellings tests, can put their scores in there. To support the reading, we have got the Year 3 Reading Passport, which is here. And this is for the whole term, and it sort of explains on here how it works, but the idea is these books, and we have extra copies in the library, so they're all available in the library. These books, the children need to read at least 2 of them. So if they read 2, they get a bronze award at the end of term. If they read 4, they get a silver. 6, they get a gold. And if they read all of those 6, plus 2 other pieces from this section here, they will get a gold star. And there are special rewards for our gold star readers at the end of the year. So as I said, they're all in the library, and we go to the library every Thursday afternoon, so they'll all have a chance to find those books, to change their books. And it's really important that if they're reading one of these, they write about it in here, because then I know that they've read it and we can have a discussion about what they've read. These books are deliberately challenging, and they're also a real range. We have fiction and non-fiction linked to their learning, and it's to get the children thinking outside the box in terms of their reading. Last year, this year group were one of the best year groups for reading passports, and I'm sure they are going to be the same again this year. So thank you so much for your support. Please feel free to write us a note, and yeah, we're looking forward to seeing you again soon.